Hello everybody, meet me again in Goose ASP.NET source code. Don't forget to visit my website, that is gooseasp.netsourcecode.com. Okay, in this chapter, this is chapter number 8, transaction cashback period. Let's continue our user manual for receive payment management system and simple receive payment. This application is provided in mygoose.asp.netsourcecode.com. Okay, let's start with transaction cashback period definition. Each cashback, we already discussed about cashback, master cashback in our chapter number 7. Now chapter number 8, it is cashback period. Definition. Each cashback has a daily period. This period called cashback period or CB, or in short CB period. Each CB period must be closed daily. Each CB period can be managed as open, pending, open, or closed. Each receive payment can only be committed in open CB period. Okay, now let's open our application. This is receive payment management system. Click this receive payment management system. Login, input the password, type in the password as goose48, or you can leave it blank because this is a demo version. Login. Now we are at chapter 8. It is about cashback period. Transaction cashback period. Here it is. This cashback period is a period for each cashback. Now let's create cashback. I will demonstrate. First, I want to create a cashback. Please find my video about cashback master. Now I will try to create a new cashback. For example, I will create cashback, a new cashback. This is our list cashback. I will create a bank. Okay. For example, I will create this cashback code. Cashback name, for example, I give it the name of bank. Okay, cashback type is bank, and the cashier is Sun, for example. Description. I will copy the description. Oh, okay. Maintenance note, new data. Now let's approve. Yes. Let's see. Bank Sun. Okay, we already have Bank Sun. Now let's see let's start with our cashback period. Let's see Bank Sun. Fine. We have no cashback period here. We have to create initial period. Let's see. Each cash bank has a daily period. And let's see in our application, there is no period for Bank Sun here. So we have to create initial period. Let's start. I will create initial period for today, for example. Today is April 5, and then click yes. Yes, here it is. Our cash bank period for Bank Soin. At the first time when the cash bank period is created, the status is pending open. Means that no receive payment can be committed in this initial period. Let's check our documentation again. Initial period is the date when the cash bank becomes active and ready for receive payment transaction. Okay. After a cash bank is created, an initial period for the cash bank must be created by cashier. I have created the initial period, and beginning balance of initial period is 0. Let's see. Here is the amount beginning. Amount beginning. I'm sorry. This is amount beginning. Amount beginning. Amount beginning of initial period is 0. Now let's see how to create receive payment for this cash payment period. Let's see. I will try to use this cash bank in our transaction. I go to receive payment. I click add. Okay. The initial period is 5. Okay. Let's put 5 April. Cash bank. I will try to get the Bank Soin. Bank Soin. Let's find our Bank Sun. Oh, I'm sorry. Bank Soin is not here. Bank Soin is not here. Maybe because it is still pending open. The status is still pending open. Now let's open. How to open? Click this Goose CB period. And then change the status to be open by click this. Open period. Open first time. Period 5 April. Yes. Status is now open. Now let's check in our cash bank. Oh my god. It is not here. So let's change the date. 5 April. Okay. Okay, I try to find. Oh, I'm sorry. Maybe the cash bank status is still not active. Let's check. Our cash bank soon. Okay, let's see here. Our cash bank is still not active. The active is N, means no. I will now try to activate. Add, edit cash bank. Our bank soon active, and I'm sorry, I have to fill activate bank soon. Save. Now approve. Okay. Let's find here. Now it should be shown here. Shown. Where is Bank Sun? Oh, I'm sorry, I still cannot find. Bank Sun is now already active. Let's find here. This is Bank Sun is now already activated here. Okay, I will try to change the status to be pending again. Pending again. Let's see, is it still here, Bank Sun? Fine. Okay. Now let's pick this Bank Sun. I will create an income, for example, for 1 million, one amount, for example, receive for investment from director for investment, example, and let's input the employee. The employee means where did this income from? For example, from Agus Sulistiono. And the project code. Let's find the project code. Sales. Okay, sales from director. Okay. Now let's see. We can leave it this budget reference blank because this is an income. Save. Now let's plan. The second step is to plan. Yes, I plan to receive this income at 5 April. Now let's commit. Commit. You are not a cashier for Bank Sun. Okay. The only cashier can commit or can commit receive and payment. Commit means when it is an income, means the money come and into our cash bank or in the receive. But in payment transaction, commit means the money come out from the cash bank and received by the employee. Now let's login as soon. I will try to login as soon. The password is 248. Now I will try to find the receive payment. I'm sorry, I still have no access. I will now try login as admin. Soon. Where is soon? Soon is a budget controller. Oh, it should be a cashier. Now I will try to edit soon as a cashier. Edit soon as a cashier. Save and approve. Now let's login as soon. Log out. And now let's see our cash bank transaction. Fine. Where is our period? The status of this transaction is still planned, and now soon is about to receive this money. So the soon must commit. Commit all. Let's see here. The period is not open. Let's see our documentation. Receive or payment can only committed in an open CB period. Okay. Read this very carefully. Each receive or payment can only be committed in open CB period. Now let's open. Period 5 April is not open. Let's open this period. See, this is still pending open. I open. Oh, I'm sorry. The session is already gone. Soon. Goose 48. Receive payment. Our cash bank period. This is cash bank soon. At 5 April, I open period. Open period. Yes. Status is now open. And now let's commit our receive payment. Soon is about to receive the money. So soon must commit. Yes. Yes. Committed. Is it? Now the commit is success. Now let's see our cash bank period. Refresh. Here it is. Our receive payment and is now go into our cash bank period. Amount in. Beginning amount 0, amount in 1,4, and amount balances here. Okay. I hope this is very easy to be understood. Now let's try to create another income. Income again. I will put bank soon. Okay. Let's check the employee. The project code is sales. Now let's save. April 4 is not open. Okay, I will change the date to become 5 April and save. Now let's plan and commit. Yes. Let's check again. Let's refresh. You see here? The second income is get into the sales. Amount in is 1,6. Amount balance. Now let's try to create an expense. Date 5. Cash bank is, where is cash bank Sulis? Soon, yes, here it is, soon. Expense. Expense is a minus, so I will put a minus. For example, the money is for Rindu Khadijah to go for transportation cost. Plus the project code. For example, we have not studied about here. Sales. The budget code. If the transaction is expense, the budget must be entered. Okay. Employee allowance. Okay. Okay. Now let's save. Let's plan. It means we soon about to pay 150 and commit. Yes. Now let's see our CB period. 160, 1,000,600, amount out 150. And our balance now is 1,450,000. Okay guys, I think it is not too difficult. Let's see our next documentation. Closing period. Every day in the end of a day, a CB period must be closed. It will be permanently prevent receipt or payment to be committed at the closed CB period. When a CB period is closed, then a new CB period automatically created for the date a day after the date being closed. Okay, now let's see. For example, this is now at the end of 5 April. I will try to, okay, what I will try to create another income. I will create income for Beng Sun at 5 April, and the cost is about 100 December. And the project is, for example, hey, I'm sorry. Let's save and plan. Let's see what happens if we have pending transaction that is planned for 5 April. I will try to close. Yes. Close period. Yes. The closing period is failed. This is the message. Some cashbank transaction has not been committed yet. Check cashbank transaction list. Here it is. This transaction is still planned and not committed yet. Or I have not write here. All receive payment plan at the date being closed must be committed. You see, in this process is failed. I'm sorry, no. This closing period is failed because there is a transaction at date 5 April of Beng Sun that is not committed yet. So what we have to do is to commit all pending transaction, all planned transaction. Now let's see what if I commit this. Yes. And now let's check. You see, committed. Let's see our transaction. Already committed here. Now let's approve. Let's close again. I will try to close this period. Close. Yes. What will happen? Yes. Oh, I'm sorry. There is error. Let's check again. Okay. There is an error here. I'm sorry. I already fixed this. And let's login again. Oh, I'm sorry. I will login as Soen. Okay. Now let's go to our cashback period. Pick this soon and close period. Close period. We will see that this closing period will success. Let's see. Let's check transaction in 5 April of cashback soon that the status is still planned. Right? There is no transaction of bank soon at 5 April that is still created or planned. Now let's continue to close. Yes, you see the closing period is success. Now we will not be able to create any receive payment transaction at 5 April for bank soon. Let's check. Let's try ya. Bank soon. For example, income. Sulis. The project code is SA. Let's save. The message is shown here. 5 April is not open. Let's check. The 5 April is now closed. Now let's see the list period. Cashback soon. Fine. 5 April of bank soon is already closed. 6 April is now pending open. Now I will let's see here in our documentation. When a CB period is closed, then a new period automatically created for the date a day after the date being closed. When we close the period, this period 6 April is automatically created with the amount beginning is the amount balance at the date being closed. Let's write here. Amount beginning for the new CB period is the amount balance of the date being closed. Okay, we see here ending amount balance at 5 April is 185. It becomes the beginning amount for 6 April. Now let's try to create transaction for 6 April and save. Yes, this is now success. What if I plan? Yes, it is now planned for 6 April. But it is not be able, it is impossible to commit because the 6 April is still pending open. It is not open yet. Now let's commit. Commit. Period 6 April is not open. Okay. Now let's open this period. Click open. Open period. Yes. Now let's commit again. Commit. Yes. Let's check our cash bank period. Okay, I think it is not too difficult. This is our cash bank period. Let's check our documentation. Rules. All received payment at the date to be closed must be already committed. I have already demonstrated this. Daily ending balance check. Cashier must compare the money in hand with the ending balance shown in the system. With the amount balance shown in the system. This is our data flow diagram. After we create cash bank master, we have to create initial period. And the initial period will be stored in cash bank period. I have already demonstrated this, and this is the closing period. All data from receive payment will be get into closing period and sent to cash bank period. This is all the process. Okay, now let's review our documentation. Read carefully. Okay everyone, thank you for watching my videos. I hope this is worthful, and if you think this is worthful, please subscribe to my Goose ASP.NET source code. If you need to comment or you need the source code, you can contact us by click this link. Click here for comment or else. Input your name, your visitor ID, the application. You can pick the application by click this button and pick the application name and your comment here and wait for our reply. Okay everybody, thank you very much and wish that we could meet again in our next video.